Welcome back again, my amazing unique family. From my previous video, I told you guys that I was supposed to wash toilet, but I ended up not doing that. So today is Saturday. I want to clean the bathroom, the toilet, and the meat I told you guys earlier. So if you have not seen that video, my previous video, please do well to check it out on the end screen. You are going to understand where I'm coming from, Egarago. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. Please give this video thumbs up and subscribe. Makanega like, yeah. While I was cleaning the bathroom, and hubby is here, also helping out in doing some cleaning, mopping and all of that, the ones we were not able to do yesterday. So that's what we are doing now. And Oma, they waka waka up and down. They do her own. So guys, yeah, that is basically it. Thank you so much, my angel. Hobby has really been a big help. In fact, he helps me out in one or two things, which I really, really appreciate him for that. May God continue to keep you, protect you, and bless you for me. Like, goodness, you are just so amazing. Huh? A better husband, good. Yara good. So yeah, so hubby is there. I did a deep cleaning inside this room yesterday. Hubby is there to mop it again. But guys, may wanna see what hubby do for this bed. May wanna see how he arrange this bed. See the way he for him mind now. He don't arrange that this bed. But anyway, thank you. As you anyhow way you do am, I go to do am. So yeah, I'm here to continue my cleaning. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. Makanega like, yeah. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so we must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Oh God, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, I've been busy, like seriously. I'm done cleaning that bedroom for a very. Hey guys, oh God, what am I blabbing? Guys, welcome back. Oh, welcome back. I'm done cleaning that bedroom. Oh, you don't say why I finished cleaning it, and I took my bath and I bathed Oma immediately. I have also fed her. I don't give her food. And the hubby, you guys saw him. He helped me clean. In fact, our house is sparkling clean. So right now, I'm also done washing this meat, and I want to package it right now. And then that will be it for this video. I want to rest. Like, I've been vlogging since how many days now. I don't get space, even for my flash drive. There's no much space again. So I need to, edit the one I have done already and create space to film more videos. You can imagine my 128 GB flash drive is remaining, I think, 6 GB. You can imagine. So I need to create space. So I'm done and I want to package this meat. And yeah, the weather is so so this is the meat. This one is the cow leg. This one is the gizzard, turkey gizzard. We wanted to do a flip bottle with this pepper gizzard, but I don't know when it will be again because I'm tired. This one is the turkey and this one is the shaki. All is sparkling clean. So let me package them now. like to put this meat separately. I don't know. I don't like. I like to put it separate. Oh yeah, end our vlog. Hi guys, so I'm done packing these meat and I've portioned them where it's supposed to be. I'm done packing this meat and I've packaged it and I'm going to be ending this video. I'm so tired. I want to go and rest since how many days I've been busy. And I'll just rest and edit the one I have already done. So we want to eat that pepper soup we prepared last night. That is what we are going to eat now for lunch.
Why? No.
I end this video.
Guys, thank you for watching.
Be looking, not they look me. Be looking at them.
Thank you for watching.
So guys, I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.
No skip, no skip.
Come and say bye. Come and say bye.
Come on.
Come and say hi. Come and say bye. Come and take.
This guy getting money. Okay, now wow.
Come and give me something. My show.
Wow. Give me.
Oma, I say bye. Bye. The orange is too sweet.
Very sweet.
No. Take this one. Take this one. Yeah, thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. You don't look sharp. Oh, yeah, no. Guys, bye. All right, my amazing unique family, thank you so much if you have watched up to this moment. I really and I truly appreciate you all. May God continue to bless you all, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye bye.